Welcome to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Abman, and today we're about to blow this place up with some seriously killer YouTube video ideas. We're talking about the kind of content that'll have you racking up subscribers faster than you can say, smash that like button. Whether you're all about that tech life, a hardcore gamer, or just want to share your awesome lifestyle with the world, we've got you covered. So buckle up, grab your camera, and let's get this content train rolling. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best YouTube video ideas across popular niches. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or into lifestyle content, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a classic unboxing videos. I'm talking about that fresh out the box experience, the anticipation, the reveal. People go wild for this stuff. Imagine unboxing the newest iPhone, the latest gaming console, or even a crazy mystery box full of surprises. Make sure you capture all the excitement, those first reactions, and give your honest thoughts. Remember, people connect with authenticity. Don't be afraid to geek out, be real, and share your genuine excitement. Show them why they should be excited too. And hey, if it's a total dud, let them know. Sometimes those are the funniest videos. Next up, we've got explainers. Look, the internet is a confusing place, right? But you, my friend, you can be the guide. Pick a topic you're passionate about, whether it's blockchain, the history of the universe, or how to make the perfect cup of coffee, and break it down for the people. Keep it simple, keep it engaging, and maybe throw in some cool visuals or animations to keep those eyeballs glued to the screen. You'd be surprised how many people are out there just waiting for someone to explain something to them in a way that actually makes sense. Gamers assemble. Gameplay walkthroughs are your ticket to YouTube stardom. Pick a game you love, fire it up, and take your viewers on a wild ride. Show off your skills, your strategies, and maybe even rage quit a few times for good measure. Hey, we've all been there. The key here is personality. Be entertaining, be engaging, and don't be afraid to let your inner gamer freak flag fly. And if you can manage to snag some early access to a highly anticipated game like GTA 6, you'll be swimming in views faster than you can say achievement unlocked. Chapter 4. Daily Routines. A day in the life of awesomeness. Ever wonder how the pros do it? Daily routines are a great way to give your viewers a glimpse into your world. Show them how you start your day, what you eat, how you stay productive, and maybe even sneak in a workout or two. People love seeing how others live their lives, especially if it's aspirational or relatable. Just be real, be yourself, and don't try to portray something you're not. Authenticity is key. Chapter 5. Reaction videos. Prepare to be shocked. Get ready to laugh, cry, and everything in between. Reaction videos are all about capturing those raw, genuine emotions. Find some funny, shocking, or heartwarming videos online and hit that record button. Your reactions will speak volumes, and viewers love seeing how others react to the same content they're watching. Just make sure you're respecting copyright laws and giving credit where credit's due. And hey, if you can get a group of friends together for a reaction party, even better. The more, the merrier. Chapter 6. Travel vlogs. Adventures await. Pack your bags and grab your passport, because it's time to explore the world. Travel vlogs are a fantastic way to share your adventures, show off breathtaking scenery, and immerse your viewers in different cultures. Whether you're exploring hidden gems in your own city or backpacking through Southeast Asia, capture the essence of your journey and share it with the world. And don't forget to pack your sense of adventure. Chapter 7. Workouts. Get fit with me. Ready to break a sweat? Workout videos are huge on YouTube. Share your fitness journey, your favorite exercises, and maybe even throw in some motivational tips to get people moving. You don't have to be a professional trainer to create awesome workout content. Just be enthusiastic, knowledgeable, and encouraging, and people will be right there sweating along with you. Plus, it's a great way to stay in shape yourself. Calling all creators and DIY enthusiasts. DIY project videos are a fantastic way to share your skills, inspire creativity, and help people save money. Whether you're building a desk, upcycling old furniture, or creating something completely unique, document your process and show others how it's done. Just remember to keep it safe, offer clear instructions, and maybe have a few bloopers on hand for laughs. Everybody loves saving money, right? Money tips videos are a great way to share your financial wisdom and help others achieve their financial goals. Whether you're an expert on budgeting, investing, or side hustles, share your knowledge in a way that's easy to understand and actionable. People are always looking for ways to improve their finances, so you'll be providing real value to your audience. Attention all bookworms! Book review videos are a fantastic way to share your love of reading and connect with fellow bibliophiles. Pick a book that's impacted you, share your thoughts, and maybe even recommend some similar reads. You can focus on specific genres, authors, or themes, and even create a series around your favorite books. And there you have it, 10 awesome YouTube video ideas that'll have you well on your way to becoming the next big thing. Remember, the most important thing is to be passionate, be creative, and most importantly, be yourself. People can spot authenticity a mile away, so let your personality shine through and have fun with it. Who knows, maybe one of these ideas will spark your next viral hit. So grab your camera, hit that record button, and show the world what you've got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any